To get the best results for mixing drinks, we need a certain array of tools to help us with the job. For shaking drinks, we use what is called Boston tins. Here you will see a small Boston tin and a large Boston tin. This is where we mix our ingredients together and add ice and shake. For stirred drinks, we use a mixing glass and a bar spoon. This is predominantly used for spirit-forward drinks, the likes of Old Fashions or Negronis. A must-have tool in any bar is your cocktail jiggers. These are vitally important to measure out individual ingredients that recipes call for. They also ensure consistency and help with stock controlling, as opposed to free pouring. Some bars also use measuring spoons. These are great for small quantity ingredients, but try not to use your bar spoon for this, as it is an inaccurate form of measurement. When pouring our finished cocktails, we use strainers. The first is a Julip Strainer, which is used for straining liquid from a mixing glass. The second is a Hawthorne Strainer, which is used for our Boston tins. And finally, a fine strainer is used for straight up shaken drinks to remove any small ice particles that have been formed as a result of shaking. Bitter bottles are used for measuring precise dashes of bitters required for cocktails. I strongly recommend decanting bitters into these, as using the dasher bottles bitters come in are unusually an inaccurate form of measurement. Traditional rule of thumb is a dash of bitters is 0.9 mils. Speed pours fit over the tops of the majority of bottles used in bars and are used to assist with speed and accuracy and also help prevent stock wastage. Be sure to regularly check speed pours for any leaks, and remember to steep speed pours in boiling water regularly to reset the shape of the threads that again will fix any leaks that may occur. Fruit peelers and knives are used to prepare garnishes. Always make sure to use sharp knives for clean cuts, and for fruit peelers, grab your fruit between your thumb and index finger, place the fruit peeler running away from your hand with medium pressure, and gently rotate to get a nice clean twist for garnishing. I have seen many a bartender losing the tops of their knuckles by rushing or peeling incorrectly. Once cut, we can neaten the edges to create aesthetically pleasing garnishes. And finally, muddlers are used for muddling hard fruits at the bottom of your Boston tin to help extract flavour. These should be only used for the likes of banana, strawberries or kumquats. Some fruits do not require any muddling, like raspberries or blackberries, as the force from shaking the ingredients with ice will be enough. So there you have it, a list of the most important cocktail tools that will help you deliver delicious, consistent and balanced cocktail programs that consumers will enjoy time and time again.